Hey there, Famiri. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And by the title of today's video, you know that I'm gonna give you my version of a gift guide for a natural. So this is for my Famiri. If you want to know what you need to put on your Christmas wish list, I got you. And for the significant others, family members of the naturals, you guys want to know what in the heck do I get her? Because she's natural now. She a whole new person. She mixing up stuff in the kitchen. What do I give her for Christmas? I got you. So if you want to know what I think should be on every natural's wish list for Christmas, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I would very much appreciate it. And if you subscribe, you become part of the Famiri, which is Surinamese for family, which is what we call our squad on here. So subscribe, and if you're really loyal, click that notification bell, and let's get into this video. Lego. Okay, so before we start, I just gotta say this. I was getting ready to film this video. I went on, I got a notification from Instagram. Berry Curly had a post up, name your favorite YouTuber, and somebody tagged me. Let me just say her name correctly. Political_DMS tagged me, Cheesy Duru, and Ambrosia. And I just wanted to say, because I cried. I'm not gonna lie. Before this video, I was in the middle of an emotional breakdown, and then I saw it and I cried. So shout outs to you. You have no idea how much you made my day. I just wanted to say thanks for the love. And I just want to say thanks to all of you guys who show me love like consistently. You guys have no idea, but I really appreciate it. Anyway, I wasn't gonna talk too much. I wasn't gonna talk too much, but one last thing, if you're wondering why I look raggedy, it's because I'm getting over a cold, my skin is irritated, my voice is trying to come back, it's trying, but I wanted to make this video for y'all, okay? So, are you gonna take me as I am? I hope you will. Anyway, I've talked enough. Let's get into it, because I talk so much. So I wrote down what I think should be on a wish list, okay? The first thing I would say is the classic gift set. I don't know if you've noticed, but there have been like really nice gift sets with natural hair products. I've been seeing them all over Instagram, in the web shops. I can't buy them because I don't live in America, you know. I would suggest, I'm gonna show you some really nice gift sets that I saw. The Camille Rose Naturals Cocoa Melange set is, it's a banger. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to buy it. It has a deep conditioner for natural hair. It has a body oil. Ooh, what did you want to get your girl? Like a body oil that smells like chocolate? A body wash and a face mask. That's a nice gift set. For my UK people, I saw a Flora and Curl Discovery Kit. It has like minis of all their products, like a leave-in, a shampoo, hair mist, oil, and a clay wash. That's super cool. I like that. I might just get that. Diva Curl. Ooh, Diva Curl has a lot of sets. I think if you have a little bit of coin to spend, you can get like any type of set that Diva Curl sells, but they have their sets with minis. So the one that I'm looking at is the Mini Curl Care Kit. I think a gift set of a brand like Diva Curl would be really nice, because Diva Curl is pricey. So if you get a gift set from Diva Curl, it's like you get to try the products, but it's free because someone else paid their money for it. And you get to see if you like the products or not, and if you're willing to spend the money for full price. My next thing that you could get someone, my next idea for a gift for a natural is a DIY set. So what do I mean with that? get a little bit creative. Okay, so what do I mean with that? If you know that the person that you're getting a gift for is really into making their own products at the moment, give them a set that helps them to do it. So I would say get them a set with oils, like almond oil, jojoba oil, jojoba oil, but also with shea butter, mixing utensils. Like, you need mixing utensils to make products. And I think it's nasty to use the same mixing utensils that you use in your house. Or maybe it's not nasty. Anyway, get them stuff like that. And then wrap it up in a basket real nicely with a bow. Like, that's gonna be really nice. And then when they make products, they can give you. That's a very good idea. Next idea is along the same lines, but instead of giving the person a set to make products of their own, you make products for them. Now, if you're that person who's into mixing stuff and you don't want to spend a lot of money on gifts, which is me every year, like every year I don't want to spend a lot of money on gifts. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on gifts, make your gifts. Make that amazing whipped shea butter and then put it in a nice bottle and then give it to people. Or make, what else can you make? Ooh, like an oil blend that smells nice, that grows people's hair. Make that and give it to people. That is so cheap, but it's a great personal gift to get. In the description box, I'm gonna link some videos of how people make the shea butter and maybe like an oil blend. I'll put some ideas down below. I got you. Okay, so my next idea is a little bit out of the box. I gotta give y'all out of the box ideas, okay? Because you came to this video and I want you to get gifts ideas that you wouldn't find anywhere else. Anyway, my idea is get the person a plant. I'm laughing while I'm saying it, but it's a really good idea. Get the person a plant. And not just any plant. Get the person an aloe vera plant. Yes, do it. Get them a plant. Get them like a little pamphlet on what the aloe vera does for the hair, for the skin, just for everything. Google it. You'll thank me later. It's a nice gift to get someone. But the person needs to be into it, or else you're gonna give them the plant. They're just gonna be like, this is what you got me. That's it. So if the person, you know, knows a lot about aloe vera and is into the whole like using natural things, they'll be able to appreciate it. Give them an aloe vera plant. I'm dead serious, but I don't know why I'm laughing. So my next idea is also a little bit out of the box. Get the person a non-subscription box out of a subscription service. What do I mean by that? Y'all know Curlbox, right? Curlbox, I think, is like one of the realest when it comes to subscription services for natural hair products in America, right? They often come with a non-subscription box. So if you were to get that non-subscription box for your girl, for your friend, I think that would be a really cool gift idea. I would love to receive that. And I take Curlbox as an example because I've seen them do it. Like, their non-subscription boxes are bomb. If I lived in America, I would be all over that. I'm just saying. It's like getting a trial class for someone who is crazy about health and fitness. You're not getting them a gym membership. You're just getting them a trial class. I see it like that, but with natural hair products. Yeah, I would love that. Yes. Okay, so my last idea for a gift is to get your girlfriend or your friend or that natural a naturals accessory kit. What do I mean with that? It's something, once again, it's something that you get to be creative with. You yourself can decide how much you want to spend doing that. And I think it's a unique gift to give someone. If you're a guy and you're watching this and you're like, which accessories does she need? Don't worry, I'm gonna break it down for you. She needs a satin pillowcase. A satin pillowcase, bruh. Even if she doesn't use it now, she needs it. Once again, Google it. Tell her why she needs it. She will love you for it. You either get her a satin pillowcase or a satin scarf. Another thing you need to get her is a spray bottle so she can spray her hair. And if you're like really trying to go all out, like fellas, if you're trying to impress your girl and you're trying to give her a spray bottle, don't just give her a spray bottle. No, give her a continuous mist spray bottle. Not just a spray bottle goes psh, psh. No, that says basic. Even though I have a spray bottle and I don't have a continuous mist bottle. But hey, a spray bottle says basic. It goes psh, psh. You want a continuous mist bottle that goes shh. I was out of breath, but shh. When I do that, it's constantly misting out a fine mist of water. I want that bottle. Fellas, get your girl that bottle. She will love you forever. That shows that you care. But anyway, so your kit needs satin pillowcase, satin scarf, continuous mist bottle, water bottle, yes. Hair ties without metal. Get that. Google it. Bobby pins. You might wonder, does my girl need bobby pins? You might wonder, does my friend need bobby pins? The answer is yes. Always. A natural always needs bobby pins. You can never have enough bobby pins. And if you wonder why can you never have enough bobby pins, think about this. Bobby pins and hair ties are the hair equivalents of socks. I think I don't need to explain it any further. And the last thing that you can put in like a kit to make it like really nice is essential oils. Like really nice smelling essential oils. And then, yeah, you can make a nice hair kit. That's my last idea. Give them like a natural hair accessory kit. And you could put like anything in it. You could put a comb, you could put a hair pick and stuff like that. But just make it fun. Once again, put it in a cute basket with a ribbon. Maybe put some of her favorite sweets in there. And then, yeah. Those are my ideas for gifts. For maybe your significant other who is natural, or for a friend who is natural, or maybe even for yourself. If you're like, what do I want to get myself for Christmas? I hope it gave you some inspiration. And better yet, you know what? If you enjoyed this video and you want to make someone really happy for Christmas, give them one of my links. Give them a YouTube link for Christmas, a YouTube link of my video. So that was my gift guide. I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Send it to someone to give them a hint on what type of gift you would like. Last year, so more Christmas videos are coming. Last year, you guys know I did the 10 Joys of Christmas, which was 10 videos back to back. I gotta say, that was heavy. I ain't doing that again this year. No, I'm not. But I do want to do something for Christmas. So if you enjoyed the 10 Joys of Christmas last year, please do give me feedback. I want to know if you guys want to see Christmassy videos. And if you want to see like Christmassy videos, more videos in the month of December, let me know. And also let me know what type of videos would you really want me to do for Christmas. Because December's going to be hectic. I'm not going to lie, but I really want to give you guys what you want to see. Okay? That was it from me for today. I will see you in the next video, which I have conveniently placed here. Look at that. Well, look at God. Oh my goodness, I cracked myself up. You can click it here and I will see you in the next one. Bye.